Someone to hold me tight, that would be very nice. Someone to love me right, that would be very nice. Someone to understand each little dream in me. Someone to take my hand, to be a team with me. So nice, life would be so nice. Through life with me, someone to cling to me, stay with me right or wrong, someone to sing to me some little samba song, someone to take my heart, then give his heart to me, someone who's ready to give love a start with me.